Decided to do a little video to show you guys what I've done so far. I wish I would have taken a video before I started working on this mini bike. It started as a 97cc doodle bug, and then it was white and blue before. I just finished installing the motor and getting everything hooked up, and then I let one of my brother's buddies ride it, and he ended up flipping it a few times and really fucked up the handlebars and the throttle and everything. But I got the OMB warehouse motor mount plate underneath the Predator 212, which I do have some performance parts coming in the mail, hopefully by Friday. Probably do a video on installing those. And I got brand new rubber on here, some brand new brakes, brand new chain, brand new clutch. The throttle was brand new until dumbass flipped that shit. Yeah, I might get some new bearings for it too, and then obviously I'm gonna get a new air filter and all that stuff, and new jets, and maybe a different carb. I don't know. We'll see what happens with the parts that come in the mail. It's got a fox gator skin seat on it, and I painted the frame hunter green, and it was really nice, but it got all scratched up when it flipped over. Well, I'm not gonna pull it out right now. Sitting under the entertainment center. Well, thank you for watching.